y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is currently, hold on, it is currently 10:21 in the morning, and I'm about to get up and get ready and go take a shower so I can go wash my car and like go to Walmart and go to Bath and Body Works so I could buy some like air fresheners for my car, because you know, yeah. And then I had some more stuff that's coming for my car today, so I just wanted to get my car washed or whatever while I do all that. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I have a lot of things today. Wash my car, I gotta go to the beauty supply, I gotta go get my hair done, and then after I'm gonna just be home posting like my products on my website, you know, stocking up make my website stocked up so everybody can start ordering their stuff. And then I'm gonna go to the movies later on. So like I got a lot of plans today. So let me hurry up and go take a shower because my hair appointment is at 12 and it is 10:22. So I need to be able to go to the beauty supply, come back, and go to the car wash and go straight to get my hair done. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. So I'm back. I didn't film when I was getting dressed and stuff because I kind of forgot, but I'm in the car currently waiting for my boyfriend. So right after, we're about to go to the car wash because, you know, I need to go to the car wash. So I'm about to do all that and then go do my hair, but like he taking forever. So we're gonna call him. We're gonna call him. But I'm gonna get back to you guys when we at the car wash. Alright, y'all, so I'm at the car wash right now. It's hot as fuck. But I'm at the car wash. He better go vacuum my car and everything.
You know that shit all you got.
I don't care. My car needs a deep clean, like a deep clean. It never got washed. It ain't never get washed before, so it needs to get washed and deep cleaned. I don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when he finished doing his thing, or I might start vlogging and just leave y'all while we doing everything. So I might do that. But hold on.
This is it, money.
Y'all niggas eat now, nigga. Yeah. Man, it's hot as fuck. Oh, the smoke's out, yo. Why they got that Cabero thing, nigga? You got your perk on them. Look at that shit. Nice little thing, bro. Yeah, looking crazy. We did that, yeah. We did that, yeah.
Did you forget that we have to wipe down the car? I should have never been doing car wash. You just stood there.
Hey yo, I was about to say, like, you got shit on your car and shit. You got grass, shit on your car and everything.
What?
You got like grass shit on your car and everything.
Grass?
Yeah. And your side of your car. The side of it. Yeah, it's right there. Where the white things at, bro? Oh, she was still rolling. I forgot. Get on her man shit. Hit them fucking tires, yeah. Hey, kids watching, bro. It's weekend.
Now guys, we have talk to them. Now I have a nice clean car. Where are you going? Bro, why are you laughing?
What's good with y'all, man? You know, my baby looking good, you know. Shut her hair out, y'all.
Why you zooming in my face? Why you got it zoomed?
I don't got that shit zoomed, girl. This shit. I don't like to do that shit. Yeah. Came from Walmart, you know.
Yeah, y'all, I got my hair done.
Tight shit, tight shit.
He got a haircut.
$30 for a fucking cut? Man, I should stick with my $10 nigga, man. I ain't gonna put his name out there though, but yeah, alright, some slight though. I ain't, you feel me?
Yeah, we just came from Walmart, and what are we about to go do? I'm about to drop them off. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna put my lashes up on my website. See how go shop with me. And then I think later we're going to the movies if it's not raining.
Man, bro, we going to the movies, bro.
If it's not raining. I don't do driving in the rain. Like right now it's raining and I don't even like driving in the rain.
She over this out.
I'm about to hit this phone. You just gonna put the camera on me.
And then I'm gonna go to Brooks Crib, get high, you know. So that goddamn ganja goddamn. So yeah, bro. She'll be back with y'all in a second, bro.
Alright, I really, hold on. Let me put this down. I don't really know where to put y'all, like. We just gonna put y'all right here. But anyways, y'all, I had to put this bonnet on because it was raining. And I had to go get the packages. But my packages came. So I'm about to open them up. Oh! Hold on. Y'all be good like this. Let me just zoom it up. Damn. I'm gonna end up breaking this camera. Let me see if that's good enough. This camera is literally sliding around. But I think this is good enough. I'm gonna grab my keys, bro. It's hot, so I'm gonna turn this AC on. So if y'all hear the AC, don't mind it. It's just hot. The first package, I mean, I already decorated my car, but this is just the bags for my stuff. But I've been seeing this on TikTok, so I was just like, I had to cop it for the car. It's these vanity lights. So we gonna open it. We gonna open it and see what it's talking about. It come with this charger. It's look like this. You turn it on, change the modes, or whatever. And we about to install this. How you do this? save this for last, y'all. I don't know how to put that on. So I'm gonna save it for last. And I think this box just has, what does it have? This little thing. My car's already decorated, guys. It's just, I needed some last minute stuff. If I could lift this box up. I needed some last minute stuff for my car, so my car could feel really complete. Because in my other car that I had this little thing. Yes, I had this little mirror right here. You know, this mirror is worth it, but I need scissors, so I gotta go inside. I gotta go inside and get some scissors, so we're gonna have to wait to put that up. And then, what is this? I just got a new car charger, so it could fit my fast chargers and stuff. And I just got some bedazzled carpet. Yes. I got some bedazzled carpets. Y'all, I'll be right back. I need to go get some scissors. So, where's my car keys? So I can go in the house. But I'll be right back with y'all. I'm back, and I feel like my camera is going to die soon. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna first open up this. If my camera dies, y'all, I'm gonna just record off my phone. It's no biggie. So we're gonna take this mirror out. Y'all, and I just washed my car. I wish these came earlier while I was at the car wash, so I could just like open everything all together. Right here, this is it right here. I seen it on TikTok on how like it's something like you should get, like you should really get. So you just do this. I don't even think I can do this with my nails. I think it's upside down. That's why. And there, oh my god, I can see so much better. Hold on, let me show you guys. Like, this is how it looks. Like, I could really see my blind spots. Oh, way better. I like it. I wish all cars came like this, but this is it or whatever. So now we're about to open up the rest. I want to figure out how to put this on though. Like, I really do. So we're gonna go right back to it. I want to figure out how I put it on. Like, I just want to finish this so I can move on to my carpets and stuff and get rid of this box. Okay, so you're supposed to okay, y'all, so it looks like this. I don't know if I put it on correctly, but I guess it's gonna have to just stay like that. But it looked cute or whatever. I don't think I'm gonna keep it on for long because I don't know. But like, I like how if I wanted to get ready, I can get ready in my car. So yeah. But now I'm about to move on to the carpets, and I'm not gonna record it because, bro, I don't got time. My arms hurt from this thing. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done with everything. I was listening to some music, but you know, my camera's literally about to die. So I'm about to show you this real quick. This is the carpet. It's like that for all of them in the back. And I got this little spray thing for like the screen, to clean the screen up. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna definitely go charge my camera. I'm gonna go charge my camera real quick, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm on the way to the movies. Alright, y'all, so the video y'all currently watching was made about a week or 2 ago, and I never got to finish it due to the fact that my camera didn't have charge, and it wouldn't charge, and I didn't have a backup battery at the time. So basically all I did was go to the movies with my boyfriend. We went to watch The Red Door, and then we went out to eat, and then after we went to eat, we went to Logan's Roadhouse, and after we went to eat, we just went home, and I just took a shower and hopped in my bed and went to sleep. But there was really nothing else to it, so yeah.